Look at how we typically identify strength: the roar of a jet engine, the flash of a rocket launch, or the volume of a crowd. We have been conditioned to look for the noise. But the most dominant force on the planet operates under a different set of rules. It is a mass of trillions of tons of water that stays frozen in a state of absolute heavy silence. The ocean is a simple, cooling presence. It stabilizes the planet's temperature and rotation, managing an unimaginable physical weight without any visible effort. It reflects the entire sky on its surface and stores the world's minerals in its depths. It holds everything, yet says nothing. If we look past the surface, what can this silence tell us about the nature of power? When an entity is truly vast, it has no need to prove itself. Its reality is so undeniable that noise would only be a distraction. To understand this, we have to look at the physical reality of the deep. It is a world of total darkness and immense pressure, a volume of water that covers 70% of the planet. We often project our own anxieties onto these depths, assuming that such a dark, impenetrable space must be a site of chaos or hidden hostility. In reality, the deepest parts of the ocean are the most stable environments on Earth. Down there, the pressure is so great that it anchors everything into a profound, absolute stillness. This silent reservoir is the engine of life. Molecules lift from the surface, travel through the atmosphere, and distribute fresh water across the continents. This constant cycle keeps the ocean perpetually connected to the Earth's survival, never pausing its output. There is a physical tension at the shoreline. The ocean is geologically separated from the dry land, yet it reaches out to touch the coast in a rhythmic, unceasing pulse. It continuously provides the moisture the land needs to survive, returning to the shore over and over despite its isolation. It carries the weight of this global service with a quiet, persistent respect for the life it supports. The ocean demonstrates that being essential doesn't require being loud. True provision is a quiet, unacknowledged act. Maintaining this global system requires a specific internal state. Though the ocean is connected to every continent, it exists in a state of absolute solitude. It is alone in its vastness. Usually, when we are tasked with heavy burdens or find ourselves in isolation, we compensate with pride or sink into bitterness. The ocean reflects a different psychology. It remains solitary and massive, yet lacks even a trace of arrogance. It demands no tribute for its work. It accepts its heavy, isolated existence with a serene stillness. It is simply there. This creates a unique state of being.